Application of derivatives part 1. In that first one, rate of change of a function. Rate of change of a function. If a quantity y varies with another quantity x satisfying some rule y equal to f of x, then dy by dx or f dash of x represents the rate of change of y with respect to x. dy by dx is rate of change of y with respect to x. Now dy by dx at x equal to x naught or f dash of x naught represents the rate of change of y with respect to x when x equal to x naught. If x and y are functions of t, if two variables x and y are varying with respect to another variable t, that is f x is a function of t, y is a function of t, x equal to f of t, y equal to g of t, then by chain rule dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. First find derivative of y with respect to t, then find derivative of x with respect to t. Now consider a circle. When radius increases, its area is increasing. When r is increasing, its area is also increasing. So area of a circle is a function of r. Area is a is equal to pi r square, which is depends on radius of circle. Now first problem, find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius r when r equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to find rate of change of area. Area of a circle is a equal to pi r square. Rate of change with respect to radius, that is dA by dr. Radius r, here r square, derivative of r square is 2r, so we get 2 pi r. When r equal to 5 centimeter, we have to put r equal to 5, so 2 pi into 5, which is 10 pi. When r equal to 3 centimeter, derivative dA by dr, when r is 3, 2 pi into 3, which is equal to 6 pi. So when r is 4 centimeter, dA by dr, when r is 4, 2 pi into 4, which is 8 pi. Now here dA by dr, unit of area is square centimeter, then radius is centimeter, so unit is dA by dr, unit is square centimeter per centimeter. Here in this case we have to find derivative of a with respect to r. Now in the second problem, the radius of a circle is increasing. Radius is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. That is dr by dt is given. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. In the second problem, dr by dt is given, so we have to find dA by dt. When dr by dt is given, we can find dA by dt. Now area a equal to pi r square, its derivative with respect to r is 2 pi r. Now dA by dt is dA by dr into dr by dt, so 2 pi r into 3. dr by dt, rate of change of radius is 3 centimeter per second, so here we have to put 3. So dA by dt when r equal to 10, 2 pi 10 into 3, 60 pi, and its unit is square centimeter per second. Unit of a is square centimeter, unit of time is second, so here dA by dt is 60 pi square centimeter per second. Now problem 3, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at a speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast is the enclosed area is increasing? So we have to find dA by dt. dr by dt is given. Rate of change of radius with respect to time is 5 centimeter per second. When dr by dt is given, we have to find dA by dt. So dA by dt equal to, a is a function of r, so first differentiate a with respect to r, dA by dr into dr by dt. So 2 pi r into 5. When r equal to 8, 2 pi into 8 into 5, that is 80 pi square centimeter per second. Okay. When radius increases, volume of sphere increases. So volume of sphere depends on r. Volume of sphere is a function of r. When radius decreases, volume is decreasing. So volume is a function of r. The problem, a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius. When radius r is 10 centimeter. Volume V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cubed. We have to find rate at which its volume is increasing when radius is 10 centimeter. So we have to find derivative of V with respect to r. 4 by 3 pi into derivative of r cube is 3r square. Cancelling 3, we get 4 pi r square. So when r equal to 10 centimeter, we get 4 pi into 10 r square, that is 10 square. 400 pi. Now dV by dr, unit of V is cubic centimeter, so per second. So 400 pi cubic centimeter per second. Now problem 2. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when radius is 15 centimeter. We have to find rate of radius, rate of which radius is changing, dr by dt. We have to find dr by dt. Here volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we have dV by dr equal to 4 by 3 derivative of r cube with respect to r is 3r square. So cancelling 3, 4 pi r square. Now derivative of V with respect to t, dV by dr into dr by dt. So dr by dt equal to dV by dt divided by dV by dr. dV by dt is given 900 cubic centimeter per second. So 900. dV by dr is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Now when r is 15, we get 15 square. So cancelling this value, 900 divided by 4 into 15 square is 900. So 1 by pi centimeter per second. So 1 by pi centimeter per second. Okay, thank you.